Okay, go to the application and component. Here type 1042. This is the one connection of base plate, one type of connection. If you type here the base plate, and here you can watching the many types of base plate connection. Here you can use any one as you wish. Every connection you cannot use here because this type of connection is used for the tapered column. This one is for the circular base plate, and another one is top of the steel beam. So you can use here this type 1016, 1047, 101, 1014. This type of connection you can use here. 1004 or 1042. 1042 is better for this time or for this type of column. So use here 1042. Just click column once and click the center of the column. It will be connected automatically. Here you cannot see the anchor bolt, right? So double click the component and take here 25 millimeters, and here also 25 millimeters, and give here 0 and go to parts and just give here the thickness. Let's take 25 millimeters of thickness, and see, you can see the another side is long than flange side. So take care. Let's see the column sizes before we use the measurement. Total depth is 254. Let's take a 3000. Let's take a 300. Go to the parameter. There is no work and general also. You can change here the color of this plate. Let's take a 2 and modify. It will be red. Anchor rod. Here you can see the base plate with options here. Base plate with, go to the, here is the by default. Go to this option by clicking the arrow sign and click the anchor rods and modify it, and anchor rod will appear here. Now let's bolt first. Here is the bolt sizes. No, you don't need to fill up this form or form the you don't need to fill up the options. Just click here middle and middle. Let's take here 3 bolts and 60 or 75 millimeters distance. It will come here 3 bolts and give here 2 bolts and 150 millimeters distance. Okay, let's take here 180 millimeters. It will be better. Okay, now we'll go for the anchor rod as well and give here the rod profile, anchor bolt profile. So go to the 3 dots and go to the circular section. Let's take dia. Let's take here 25 millimeters dia of rod and modify it. And take care, there is no nut and washer, right? So give here a measurement for the nut. Let's take here 30 millimeter for the thickness of the nut, and take here 3 millimeter for the washer, and give here the 1 nut top of the base plate and take 1 washer top of the base plate. and take the bottom as well, take a washer and take a nut as well, modify it. Here you can see the top of the nut is less a little extension of anchor rod. So take care, there is the 50 millimeter, take care the 60 or 75 millimeters from the base plate. So it will come up from the nut, and take care the threads. Let's take care 180 millimeter for the threads. Look, this portion from here to top is will be create thread, and you can change the color also. It will give a 2 or 3. Let's take 3 for the nut profile and washer profile as well, 6 or 7. The profile color will be changes by the class number. Now here nut profile is showing the circular, right? But nut is not like that. Okay, so we have to change the profile of the nut. Nut usually we use the hexagonal type, right? So go to the nut profile, and type here just NUT_M and filter it. Here's the others profile and go to the nut. Let's take a 25 millimeter dia of dot. Modify OK and modify. It will be the nut profile we generally use. You can change the anchor bolt type. If you want use here the L type anchor bolt, you can change this here. You can click just arrow sign of bottom arrow size, arrow sign, go here, and you can change this the U type also. If you want, you can use the L type. Just go through it, and you can change the class, or it means the color of the anchor rod, or you can keep it as default.